In this video, I'll explain how to record refunds in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so your financial records stay accurate and consistent without creating confusion in reports. The first thing to understand is that the refund button only works when the original payment was processed through QuickBooks Payments, because the system can then return the money through the same channel. If the payment was made through another method, you will usually see a void option instead, which cancels the entry in the books but does not actually send money back. In those cases, you handle the payout externally and then create a refund receipt inside QuickBooks to properly reflect the transaction. Navigate to Sales and open all sales to locate the payment, review the details carefully, confirm customer name, amount, and account information, and add a short memo for clarity before saving. Careful verification helps prevent reporting errors and keeps reconciliation smoother. Subscribe for easy tech tutorials and honest app reviews every week.